Now here, to be able to put these two protection back, I had to tack it a little bit by hand. And this one I'll be able to sew it with the machine because it will not be seen. But this one, it will be seen on the front of the garment. So what I will do here, I will sew by hand, yeah, all along the zip, because this is the problem when you have an invisible zip to put into a finished garment. So I will try to fix the image here for you to be able to see. Okay, yeah. And now I'll start to sew my two zip protection. The thing is that I think I might use the zip foot because you can get closer with the zip foot. So I'll put it back. That's the normal zip foot. Let's see if this way is good. Put the thread underneath, and then we can start to sew the part that we can sew it with the sewing machine, and the other part. And normally I'll prefer to sew it on the front because this is the part that have to be more beautiful. So I'll start it like this. I have to sew a little bit here also, like this. Okay. I'll just reverse one step, and then I will cut the thread and you can make a knot. Okay. And then I go back. And I have to stop somewhere here on the margin. Okay. Now I turn it and I start to sew following this stitch and also the zip. Can you see it? Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, this is the problem when you have to do everything by yourself. Here I have to be careful because it's the zip and I want to catch it in, and I have to sew very close just beside the zip. And I am lucky because I can follow this line that it was here somehow. Okay. I hope that both sides are stitched now. Okay. And that's it. Let's see. Always you can see afterwards if you did good or bad. Okay. So yeah, protection it's attached now, and now I have to put the two pieces together like this, sew it across, and that's it. The zip is in, yeah, very nicely. And then I have to finish because I need to shorten it from the waist, so I need to finish it here, but the zip is in.